What's up, everybody? It's Dean Charles Anthony II back again with another video. Happy Black History Month. And since today is the first day of Black History Month, I thought, you know what? We gotta do some YouTube and some black folk. So that's what we're about to do right now. So what we're about to do is I'm about to give you 20 black photography YouTubers that you should go subscribe to right now. Now, just a couple quick rules. One, YC Imaging is not going to be on this list because we'll probably do another one because it is about photographers, and I more so prefer his work around videography, right? Also, we're not going to include tech YouTubers such as like Marquise Brownie, right? So it's just going to be people who mainly do photography. We'll come back with another video, possibly doing one with tech and another one with videographers. So we'll work on that, but just want to give you a little bit of it. Alright, so kicking off the list with the top 5, you should definitely go subscribe to Dean Charles Anthony II, Dean Charles Anthony II, Dean Charles Anthony II, Dean Charles Anthony II, and Dean Charles Anthony II. Now, if you get that joke, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. If you don't get that joke, make sure you go watch some Dave Chappelle, then come back and subscribe to this list. But no, definitely want to start off with myself. I believe I'm working on building a great channel right now. We are currently shooting 3 videos a week to build out this channel. Please like and subscribe. We're on the beginning of this journey, and it's definitely gonna be something to work out. And I love my photography, so I hope you love it too. All right, for number 2, we're going with Photo Miyai. Definitely a long-term YouTube channel that I've actually been subscribed to for a pretty long time. He has a pretty wide range of photography tips and tricks behind the scenes, really specializing in weddings, senior portraits, and live streams with models. That really kind of sums up his channel, but it has a lot of information, really quality work. Definitely can get a lot of information from him, and really if you go back in his catalog, you can actually see a lot of early full weddings that he was shooting on a GoPro, I believe. But yeah, definitely a dope channel that you should go subscribe to right now. Channel number 3, we're gonna go with Anthony Tog Life. I'm giving this one because one, he does amazing work, dope photographer, but I really enjoy just the community that he brings into his photography. Definitely is a channel that if you have questions about photography, you should definitely go like and comment and subscribe on his page. He definitely really loves everyone that is a part of the community that he's building. Specializes in portraits, but definitely dope, has a lot of great information. Particularly his last few videos are definitely some videos that I've enjoyed around softbox and how they work, you know, and how modifiers and X, Y, and Z work. I know for me, I'm kind of a trial and error learner, so I'm not really gonna go into the details of like how the light expands on a softbox of X, Y, and Z. So if you're looking for that type of content, definitely go check out Anthony Tog Life. All right, moving on to number 4, I'm gonna throw in Ijatu Shaw. So she's a dope film photographer. She actually does shoot some work with DSLR, but I really just noticed her film photography. We go to her channel, really she has a lot of great vlogs, but particularly she has worked on some ad campaigns that I believe if you really take the time to watch through the full episode, you can just get a lot of great information and just to watch some beautiful photography. Number 5, we're going with Taylor Adams. Definitely an amazing film photographer. What I think is that her channel is definitely underrated for the amount of content that she has, and honestly, I don't know if there's anyone who has used more film cameras than her on that channel. So definitely a channel you want to go like and subscribe to if you want to learn more about film, shooting with film from all sizes, but also getting to know a lot of different film cameras is definitely like the film gear channel that I would definitely send you to right now. Number 6, we're going with Black Women's Photography channel. This is a channel I stumbled upon that has a lot of long form content, but it has a lot of teaching. One of my favorite parts about it is that it includes a lot of not necessarily behind the scenes, but conversations with actual photographers that are working, that are getting paid for the things that they're doing, and they're really geared toward empowering black women to get into photography. Honestly, the very first video is about grant writing for black women photographers. So really a dope channel that definitely needs more love, so please go like and subscribe right over there. Number 7, we're going with Valandez. Definitely the king of film photography right now. His work is really beautiful. All the colors, the stories that he's telling, definitely an urban street storyteller, and also a lot of fun in his videos too. It's not limited to anything, to be honest with you. One of my favorite videos right now is he actually took a a Game Boy camera and went to a Pistons game, went out to shoot with it, and actually printed the photos off. So really a talented photographer, definitely someone that you should be subscribed to. More than anything, just to learn how to tell stories the way that he tells stories. Number 8, we're going with T-Mid, another great channel. I don't know if there's anyone who does more live streams than him, to be honest with you, but a very high quality. If you're looking for a lot of behind the scenes and just regular content coming in on a regular basis, this is definitely one of the channels that I would go subscribe to right now. He works with a very wide range of individuals, particularly with his behind the scenes. He did a lot of work early on with his photo locations. Right now he's been shooting a lot in his studio, but the studio shots are just looking really great. So if you're looking for that live stream to get some ideas around posing, how to work with models and X, Y, and Z, I would go with T-Mid. Number 9, we're going with SJ Square. Now SJ Square has a really fun channel with a lot of behind the scenes work, and really what I liked about his channel is that he used so much variety of gear throughout his story of all his videos. A lot of dope behind the scenes, particularly his locations. I really loved one of his recent ones. He shot at an AMC theater that was closed down, and got some really cool shots off of. So I would definitely encourage you to go follow and subscribe to SJ Square Photography. For number 10, we're going with Darrell Hoshing. Really one of the best photography channels on YouTube just in general. He has a lot of great content, particularly around branding, around weddings, a lot of behind the scenes work. One of the dope shoots that he did, he was troubleshooting during a Nick Cannon headphone shoot, which was just a really great story about, one, how to persevere when your situation ain't going the way that you wanted to go, but two, how to still be an amazing photographer. Has some of the best edits out there. Definitely someone you should go like and subscribe to. Yeah. For number 11, we're going with John Branch IV. Definitely one of the best YouTubers when it comes to wedding and wedding business photography. He has everything, just to be honest with you. All the behind the scenes that you will ever need, all the tips and tricks. If you want to learn how to use Honeybook, if you want to learn how to work through a flow of a wedding, anything like that, he has really dedicated his channel to helping photographers be better wedding photographers. So definitely go check out his channel. Alright, so number 12, we're going with Dana Cole. Dana Cole has a really great body of work when it comes to editorial photography. Definitely someone that you should be going to subscribe to. Honestly, her work is just beautiful. When it comes down to the edit, when it comes down to the styling, everything, it just really hits. So if you're looking for a more of an editorial style that flows through all different types of photography, definitely go follow Dana Cole's page. Alright, so we're going with Ryan Troy for number 13. Honestly, I really appreciate this YouTube channel. He has one of the channels that really made me double down on being committed to YouTube content. Just seeing his growth last year. He shoots primarily with Nikon. He does a lot of gear talk with Nikon and a few behind the scenes videos and a couple of challenges too. But really his conversations just around photography are really the things that I think that make him shine. He's done a lot of live streams with other photographers and just to hear stories and like just really build on like what it is to be a photographer and hear other people's perspective. So really a dope channel. I know he's kind of slowed down a little bit with his YouTube channel, but definitely encourage Ryan to keep making videos and go like and subscribe. Alright, so for number 14, we're going with Flow Shop. So definitely another amazing photographer. Particularly why I like his channel is really for his retouching. It's absolutely beautiful. Those chocolate skins that he be bringing out, you just can't beat it, just be honest with you. But definitely a really great photographer. He does a lot of studio work. I love to see his creativity. He has a great team around him. So if you're looking to build a studio photography business or to just learn how to work with a team, I definitely would go subscribe to Flow Shop. Number 15, we're going with Prince Mason, another one of my favorite YouTubers. He's been really consistent with his content. He has a lot of behind the scenes work, a lot of great conversations too. Just a well put together photography channel, just to be honest with you. He has a great combination of excellent edits and excellent photo shoots. Seeing his behind the scenes is just something that's going to really encourage you. And also, man, also got to support the folks with the locks out there. But yeah, definitely a great channel to follow and subscribe. So go do that. Alright, so for number 16, we're going with Shakur. Definitely another amazing photographer. He has a great lifestyle vlog type YouTube channel, but what really makes it beautiful is the fact that he mixes photography with his travel so well. Everything is very vibrant. He's a great storyteller. He just keeps you really engaged, and definitely a channel if you're looking for that mixture between travel and photography to go check out right now. Alright, so for number 17, we're going with Vincent Perry Jr. Definitely another amazing film photographer. Really, I love his London project. It's just a really great project that I found on the YouTube playlist, and it really introduced me to him. His work is really beautiful. It's a great editorial film style, and it just sells well. I'll just be honest with you. So definitely, if you're into film, if you're looking for those great colors, go follow Vincent Perry Jr. And make sure you subscribe. For number 18, we're going with Ernesto Photography, another really great channel. What I really appreciate about his YouTube channel is how slow his pace is. He really takes his time to get really high quality work, and you just see it with his artistry. Yes, you just see it with his artistry. Definitely a channel to go look at, especially if you're looking for ideas, to really think out of the box, to really kind of like push the limits of what you're really looking for. I would definitely go follow his page and subscribe. For number 19, we're going with A Boy Named Jamil, another great channel that does a lot of great behind the scenes works, but what really shines to me is how much gear that he does reviews about, he talks about, and just advice for photographers. So you can get a lot of great tips and tricks for him. A really great YouTube channel that I definitely think you should go like and subscribe and check out right now. Number 20, last but not least, we want to go with Adrian Lard. Definitely another great channel to follow. This is definitely where I would send most beginners who are looking to get into business of photography or just learn photography, learn more about photography. I would send you to his channel. A lot of great information, not too hard to digest, a good amount of long form content and short form content. So definitely a channel that if you're looking to get into photography or the business of photography, to go subscribe and binge through his YouTube channel. Alright y'all, so now we have went through 20 amazing black YouTube channels that you should definitely be subscribed to. So everything is linked in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. It may be long, it may not be, I'm not really sure yet. So hopefully it's around that 10 to 15 minute mark. But I really appreciate you. Happy Black History Month. Please go subscribe. Go level on a black photographer. And we're out. This is Dean Charles Anthony II. You have a great day. I know how many times I said subscribe in this video, so if you didn't subscribe, you hate. That's how I'm gonna say. But I'm just joking with you. I appreciate you. Love you. Have a great day. Bye.